Okay, so here's the plan.
What are we spelling?
Fart.
That's 4 letters.
Farts.
With an S. Farts.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Should I go phase rush? Or should I go-
F-A-R-T-S. That spells farts, yes.
Oh my god.
What have we done?
Should I go farts or
Farts are
aftershock?
fun.
Freaking god damn it! Aftershock or the other one?
Please tell me you recorded that.
Yeah, I did. Fuck. Ugh. So annoying, dude. Should I go aftershock or phase rush? Let's say phase rush, not farts.
Do you not just like kill that?
I might.
Yeah, it's like you 100% kill that. There's no way he's not trolling.
Oh my god!
It's okay. It's okay. The patience. Gragas isn't one of those champions.
Okay, I'm one of those champions where you have to hit skill shots.
Jesus Christ. You'll kill
Look
him.
at-
I'm not
look
watching
at
this anymore.
patience.
You will still kill him. But like, Jesus Christ.
You know where your video is?
Oh my god, Tom. What
What?
happened?
Your video is.
I
There
think
you
he's probably bot.
go.
He's probably bot side.
Patience. I'm
What? I
waiting.
can't hear you.
He's probably
He's
bot side.
probably bot.
You fucking idiot.
I'm looking at ya. You could be 1 bite's worth more of hell. I'm looking. You could have been full health.
I have ulti timer right now.
Oh.
No, 1 sec.
When I die to blue buff, you can call me Dogwater.
Aw, I don't need to wait to let you know that.
Okay.
If I walk up, I die. It's not that
I can't believe that works. This guy fucking sucks. Holy shit.
Hey, with all the pressure that's happening though, you guys are getting pretty far ahead.
I'll translate for you, Gabe. That means good gank.
Dude, I don't even know, man. Like,
Alright, well. This man's building more tank. I'm
That's homophobic.
What happened? What happened? I didn't even say anything.
I just
I
killed
did.
him. That was literally it. I killed him.
his name. Quantum plays, and he likes to stick the ward over the bird's bush, or he likes to stick it in the river paths. I don't like that. I like it how Tarzan puts it, which is just like, I say, you know, 500 to 1,000 units.
You should just
of-
ping it.
Yeah.
This.
like, what do you mean
500
by,
to
like,
1,000.
Yeah, I don't know. Give me like 3.5 Teemos left of the cross next to the owl.
500 units is not that hard to estimate. Just think about like
That's an attack range.
Think about Caitlyn's range. but, like,
Assuming I know attack ranges after 10 years.
Silver attack range is 500. What other attack? Kai'Sa attack range is 525.
basically just add rapid fire
Super
cannon
attack
on
range.
the Caitlyn's attack range, and you have it.
Oh, perfect. I know that.
I think mine's better.
You're so modest.
Why are you talking during the game? I'm getting very distracted.
God damn you.
Pause.
Oh, for
Is
Sorry,
it sad I
Komodo.
still get like a pang of like shock and like being scared whenever Brad does that?
that's a sign of abuse. You need to get that checked out. Oh, God.
It has been checked out many times.
Actually, no.
See nuts? No, it's insane.
Oh, you know that song started? It's very violent.
I do know that song, and it was funny because Nicholas was sitting in the car next to me when I first heard it, and there was a mixture of like, this is good, and horrified expression on my face.
Whoa.
Oh, what? Oh my god.
Nice. Just don't die, you guys get dragon.
I...
Just don't die?
Oh, this is weird.
You fucking monkey. Oh
That was
my.
good. What the hell? Wait, you didn't think that was a good move?
Alright.
Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Baited.
It was a good thing. He read my note. Nice job.
I'm still getting this out here, by the way.
What's up?
Nice job. Yeah, you can't do that.
Okay.
I don't know what that was. Look where are you after? Look where are you after? Oh, you're unbelievably broken, hero, man. Look at this guy. Oh my god.
I'm not doing anything!
Yeah.
Getting your cheeks fucking.
Oh, I guess not. I'll leave.
Give me my assist. Oh, the backline minions. Oh,
That was the real part of the play.
my bot lane will never know.
Gabe over there, greeting for the plate.
I want money.
Gabe do.
Ari's missing, by the way.
Oh! Ah! Oh my god. Oh, I got scared, I'm sorry. I smited for HP because I thought I was gonna get instant bursted.
What a pussy.
Wait, Gabe.
Do you guys have a symbol in the bottom right of your minimap? What the fuck is that?
Where?
The alcove.
I have the
Say, unless you're talking about the alcove, I don't know what you're referring to.
I have something in the bottom right of my minimap. Looks like a circle.
Oh, is it a ping? I have like that.
No.
Oh my god. Can you ping where it is? Like, there's no
Yeah,
information.
it's right here, man.
Oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
No, I don't have anything that deep.
Screenshot it.
Yeah, give me a sec. I'll have to edit it after.
I took 1,000 fit.
Alright, I can already tell you that this Blitzcrank skin is better than the other ones because it doesn't have feet. And every time they put feet on Blitzcrank, it's just a nightmare.
Okay, but are we invading?
No.
No feet skin
Oh.
pog.
I did like
It's the opposite of a fetish.
no, like Lance
If there's no
Paragon-
feet, I'm so in. Oh my god.
If you're buying, I'm in.
We have the 3 weakest members here, so.
Hey.
Grand top again.
Think you're stronger than Caitlyn, or?
No. What I want you to say is the 2 weakest in Gabe.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're probably head and shoulders
Grand
above
top
me.
and 50.
Justin, can you ping this?
Shield in 3,
Lillian!
2, 1.
Lives.
Stun in 1.
No!
You actually get out. Holy fucking moly,
Wow.
dude. Jesus Christ.
No, don't eat them. No!
Ah, bah, bah.
Oh no.
Nautilus is one of very few champions who gets 2 CCs at level 1.
Braum.
I said one of few.
Yeah.
Bro. Wait,
I just-
why are we counting Braum?
Braum is terrifying level 1.
He is
He can CC the entire team.
a slow
Well,
and not a stun.
Oh, okay, we're counting slows.
Is that not crowd control?
I mean, I guess.
Is Wither crowd control?
Wither's a root. You can't change my mind.
Philosophical Gabe.
I'm coming.
Oh! Ah!
Genesis is on top tower.
I don't know, wait, I don't have a heart. I got the Zacs.
I'm out of mana. God bless. Yeah, do we still need it?
I mean, I think it'd be ideal to run our own sub rather than someone else.
Alex, congratulations on making it past phase 1.
We'll be in touch.
Phase
Glad
2.
to
For the second interview.
Phase 2, I'll meet you for the in-person interview where we test how fast we need a butter burger.
Hey, that's
Wow.
my part of the interview.
I said
I'm
we.
happy to be
Thanks for playing.
Thank you, Nate. Tip. Good.
Yeah. Lulu.
Oh.
Oh, he had he flash stunned me.
Oh, I'm dead.
That's a
Maybe
good.
not.
That's a good.
Oh yeah, I'm dead.
I can still come to help under tower. Maybe I can kill Jin.
I'm coming. I have R in 10 seconds.
I feel like every time I have a roller bear, that
Dude.
I have R in 10 seconds.
I can try to slow under tower. Maybe we can kill Volley or someone. Go Volley, Volley, Volley,
Nice.
Volley, Volley. Volley bounty's big. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
I ignited
Here,
him.
here, here.
Ah! I'm crying!
Should be
Oh, coming.
I guess you got it back up. Oh, nice dodge.
Oh, I'm garbage. Oh my god, I'm so sad. Alright.
I like that.
It pains me to do this, but after taking, let's see, 1900 magic damage, I'm about to buy steel caps. I don't think we can.
Wait, no, no, we should win, we should win. Can we fight on this side?
Focus your
Yoni
focus.
back here, Yoni 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 back here.
We can chase.
Yeah, we win, win. I'm looking at Yoni, Yoni first, Yoni first.
Hey, I have cooldown, 3 seconds.
It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Nice.
Okay.
Soul.
Yeah, speeded. No mana. Oh. Okay.
That's not doing shit down.
That didn't quite work how I expected it to.
It's like 1 HP. I thought I could come with autos and just.
Nah, it's fine.
Get oraned.
This is the advantage we needed to win this time. That's why we haven't lost 3 in a row.
Thank god.
Yeah, we're just gonna have to get it dreaded out more often.
I've been using my dreads to play this whole time.
Oh, okay.
Not even hands aren't even on the keyboard.
Yeah. That's here.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Did you get that cannon again? Zach?
Crying about it? I don't know.
What is the CS gap on top?
Damn,
Oh, I'm just playing League.
where are the camps? Give me the camps.
Top or mid, top or mid. Which one
This
is it?
fucking item is so goddamn annoying,
Oh, mid lane pog. I'm coming.
All right.
I don't have GLP though. Forever plus. Boom!
Okay.
Dude, I didn't even have Everfrost though.
She actually chased me halfway across the fucking map.
Actually, no, I'm gonna go void stuff.
Oh, this was not my brightest idea.
I have to be. If there's anything to CP to.
No, I'm just dead.
man. No! He got
Hey,
fucking
Liv.
triumph from you.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
You didn't even need your W.
Charge it up.
Exodia. Obliterates.
It just screams a little louder to be
I
honest.
should have just R'd in. Looks behind. 9. Ooh, I like it. Okay. I like it.
Dude, Everfrost, man, that's so broken.
Put him in the cage. Same.
Yeah, true, literally.
I'm gonna
Nice.
Nice.
keep a Moo alive.
I have cage up in 2 seconds. Cage up in 2 seconds. Can we look Urgot? Can we look Urgot? And Lissandra?
Gotta
The
keep
dragon's
Moo
low, dragon low, dragon low, dragon low.
I have no smite, no smite, no smite.
Go Jinx, I'm on. I'm
We
following.
just finish. I say we do Nash after. Nash. Oh, big. Why can't you play like in the normal games, man?
There we go.
I do play like that in the morning.
I'll polymorph Lysandra,
If
okay?
this still bot, I'm gonna commit suicide.
I'll polymorph Lysandra. Just keep going.
Oh, it's a solo bolo!
Yeah, just keep pushing. The next wave's coming. I'm gonna go grab the next wave.
Jump.
I can't TP by the way, I'm solo. Okay, wait. I basically.
I'm saving. Here go. Keep going.
Oh!
We get him.
They just fucking lose. Oh my god.
Nice job.
Yeah, we get him.
There's no way they killed Jinx in 400 million years.
Well, I have R still too, so.
Oh, man. I mean, they just got to the point where they decided, well, I guess we'll hit Janna.
Alright, that is 3 for 3 on lanterns Justin flashed away from.
It's just like, Lantern can be denied, but Flash is more instantaneous.
I understand that last one, but the other 2 times were just you not being ready for a lantern and flashing first.
Yeah, sure. I honestly did not even notice them. So, yes, you're completely right about the other 2.
My bad. Alright.
Whoa. You okay there?
I flash. I need to. What the fuck? What? The pillar? Oh!
Alright, I'm here, Timeless.
Oh, he's backing off.
That's what you get for picking such a
Careful.
small champion.
Dude,
If you
that's
playing Trundle, you probably would've flashed
yes,
it.
100%. See, they got Trundle, so had we
By the way,
prioritized the Trundle pick,
my Q was.
You just happen to have 500 views.
Yeah. Whatever Zach was watching. Whatever Zach was watching.
Tom G Warrior is way better.
Who the fuck is Tom G Warrior?
Hey, what do you mean?
It's probably like an American president or something like that.
I kinda like it.
Cassidy, do you want to go top lane?
No, I'm freezing.
What?
Freezing a lot, man.
Put on a sweater.
Shut up,
Okay. Well, hello there, my team.
man. Hey.
I'm surprised you said my team and not something else.
My gamers. Oh, my fellow.
Min top. Wait, what did you guys leave for?
I'm trolling.
I have no health.
Easy game.
Someone did not watch the video I posted in chat.
I told you that guy never made it out of groups, man.
I don't want to say who it was, but his
Yeah,
name
it's
rhymes with CLG.
No, it used to be too. I left as well.
Yeah.
I thought it was still free. I didn't know they were gonna contest it.
Yeah, I did too. That's our bad. That's fine. We can blame Zach for it right now. And we'll deal with it later.
Okay, that sounds good.
What do you think about that?
Sounds awesome. I'm on board. I definitely didn't post an entire 2-hour fucking video explaining why that was bad.
Yeah, should I watch it?
No, you shouldn't, because it's already over!
Yeah, idiots.
It's no longer helpful.
Look at the wave I'm missing right now. This is your fault. God. Last time man. Even the dog is not.
Just hold it.
No, finish. Oh, you guys need to. Okay, nice, that's nice.
There's my notes.
Alright.
Just got the play pot.
Oh, yeah, I'm here.
Oh, I live.
Oh, you're bad.
Mess him up, dude. Yes, sir.
Noir. Nice. I should have said that earlier.
Woo! How did you have the time to watch that 2-hour video in just like 10 minutes, Fred?
Shut up, Zach. You're such an idiot. You're so untalented.
Do you see what happened there?
What do you mean? What, the play? I mean, yeah, like me and Vita both saw no one on the map there, so we thought they reset. That's why we left. That's why we left the dragon.
Well, Tonks too.
Yeah, yeah. And
This
I
is-
was like, I was gonna lose top, like waves top, so I was just like, oh, if they're not here, I'm just gonna
This was supposed to be like a counter matchup for him.
Justin,
Morgana's
where's your
there.
dark seal?
Time to see you fucking
I'm winning my lane!
Not from Satari's BOV.
Getting
Have your
hard
Mega
shit on. Yeah, but remember Morgana's top side.
Oops, that's a little awkward. I tried to do something fancy.
Scourge killed him. He said to Scourge.
Oh!
My stat.
What? He didn't. Even
Oh! You're garbage.
No. Goodbye.
Yeah, it's not worth healing.
Yep, I agree.
No matter
Yeah,
how you
not
die,
that
honestly.
bad.
There's a red buff that's gonna spawn here.
Oh yeah.
Oops.
That's a worrying transition.
At Twitch.
That'll work.
There's a stop. Not bad.
Just live, just live.
2, 1. Got
Ooh,
him.
yeah.
Nice bind.
Fire away. That's what you get for not taking cleanse versus players.
Actually, yeah, that's pretty troll. Now that I think about it.
Actually, they're putting a lot of jungle attention top.
Get the cheater.
I'm coming. If you can live.
You can kill him. No flash, no flash, no flash. Dude, nice. You guys are so good. Your top laner is playing really well.
What do you want
Actually.
to wave?
No, leave it, leave it. Literally has 1 CS, by the way, and I'm just getting ganked permanently. Like, what? I don't understand. I
He
do not
actually has
understand.
one C.
Yes, because he's dog shit. He's so bad. Oh my god. You one tricks, man. You disgusting one tricks. I hate you all.
Has 2 teammates who are OTPs.
At least Justin's not a real one trick. I just hate Zach.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Hate Zach and his girlfriend.
It's because they're
Thank
from
you, Pat.
California.
I hate you too.
Yeah, no problem.
Don't you want me to get my cosmic drive sooner rather than later?
I'm 300 gold away from cloth armor, so I need to give that.
That's about where I'm at, so...
Oh, that sounds really good.
Got you with the Q snipe.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, right here.
He's slowed? Oh
Nice.
my god, I blue carded.
Good job.
Fuck me. Good job, Timeless. Nice fucking knockup. Jesus.
I
nice
gotta
call.
reset. I gotta
I got you with
reset.
the next one.
No, no, no. Don't do it, don't do it.
This is,
I think it's fine. I
I
think
have
it's
to
fine,
leave.
right?
I have
I'm
to leave.
out. I'm out. I'm out.
I have to
Wolf
leave.
is trolling. You doing a bit of trolling? Okay, Wolf's
Uh,
doing a bit of trolling. Yeah, it's fine. It's
Are we
fine.
going back in? I'm
No,
going
no,
over.
no, no.
No. Fuck out of there, you dumbass.
Yeah, I'm gonna go base. You can go mid. Coming back right now.
We need to start doing things. We're gonna lose.
It has to be on dragon.
Oh, that's
I
something.
got to be. Come on.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, alright, both sorry. Keep going.
Here.
Do that shit.
Nice. Oh, I'm dead.
Okay, wait. Look at Braum. Nash after this. He's gonna.
Victor's alive.
Nice. Yeah, go.
Okay.
GP's alive too.
Victor's over here. Push him mid.
He's there. Watch
This is
out.
fine.
Watch out. Oh,
I have
shit.
ulti for him.
I got Zaya's ult.
Hit the Vero.
fucking
What the
dead.
heck?
Oh,
Yes!
big.
That's what my mouth went for.
Oh, so.
Okay.
We can do a mountain. We can do a mountain. Let's walk in the pit.
Yeah.
I have TP when I respawn.
I have heal for Zach. Just do drag immediately.
They're gonna concede it.
Okay, it's big. I'm 16 now. I'm 16 for next dragon, 100%.
Nice ult.
Yeah, big Satari.
Yeah,
Shit.
fuck.
Literally the one behind the fight. That was 100%. You more.
Wait,
Undo it. Go contact.
I told her to go to side fight.
Oh,
I know.
I'm so
You can
sorry.
You can undo it, right? You just fought it now.
She has shield.
Alright,
She has shield.
Diana ult.
Ah, shit.
That's fine, man. I have stop watch. I have flash.
Nice! Good stuff.
God. I'm dead. I don't think you guys win, actually.
Jesus.
Wow. No? Okay, I'm taking it.
Somebody on the backside.
I think if Satari sees an ult, I think we just go for that. Not over the wall, but...
Not yet. GP on the top side. Can we fight bot side?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Satari! Dude, what the hell? I'm here.
Oh, it ran out.
Okay, Satari actually fucking on fire. What the f-
Feel for fire.
Let's go.
Give us some.
It's fine.
I don't know. I think we can. This is our opportunity. Look, Singe first. Singe is one. There's.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, they're so fucking bad.
Oh my god.
They're so bad, dude. They're
Me and-
so fucking bad.
No, we can't.
No,
But we
I
can
think-
get Baron.
I think mid
We
go
can get
Nash and then
Baron.
base and then over.
Can we have
I don't have flash though.
timeless push?
I go. Do we have what's it called? Shirley?
Do you want me to look?
Oh, sorry.
I have Everfrost in 4. Just wait me.
I don't have
This
smite
thing
here.
can
I don't
just
have
start
smite.
his R. He can just start his R to zone. Oh, that's good.
Oh, nice. Look, Cinder.
Okay, Darius.
Okay, we got it.
Okay, go mid.
I can go grab a wave.
I still have TP advantage. Set TP.
Ulting down mid. I think I killed Varus. Bait him in the mid. Yep. Yeah.
Holy damage.
Dude, it's a level 16 ulti. It's 25 minutes.
I am not having a great time.
Holy shit.
Oh!
Oh god. Run, Ziggy.
Oh no, it's Derek shit. Dude,
Ah!
I wasn't even
Oh.
paying attention. I was actually just laughing. Shit.
We do need to end this game at a point.
Oh my god. Time was ghetto. That's homophobic. He's getting
Holy. Oh my.
Oh my god.
What the fuck?
He just kills everything!
Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
What are they doing?
We have
Cobium. Oh.
Oh my god.
Fucking irritating ability. Maybe I can use
I get Andy shield.
I have ult.
Holy shit.
Christ.
We should be able to get Infernal for free. Just fight the soul now. Dragon, just play
Yeah,
Dragon.
I think Dragon's probably safer. I'm fine to just stand here until Dragon's ready, honestly.
I'm TPing.
Yeah.
Looking Graves.
Ow, I couldn't Zonya's.
I'm kind of far. Just wait me.
No, we can't.
I'm
Look at
gonna
us.
come on the backside, Corkster.
Okay. The
Okay.
The 2v4?
It's disgusting.
Oh my
The 2v4.
god.
What do you? Oh my god. What? I want to hear the comms.
Sorry, everyone did a Corky?
Good shit, guys. We got the elder. Good shit, guys. Oh my god.
Oh
the
my.
game is safe.
No my. Don't step on package. Don't step on package. Fuck.
Oh, Corky, he's trolling.
Oh my god.
Got him?
No. God bless. Oh my fucking god. I just shit my pants.
Phew.
What happened?
I was literally 1 HP fighting Volibear with shield.
Oh shit. Stuff. Spit on Malzahar players. He's dead.
If need be. So it's
Oh
looking.
my god. Flash came up again. He's 1 HP. Can someone go look under tower? Time has come. Time has come. I think he'll agreed.
Oh, I got this.
No flash.
Great job, everyone.
Nice. That champion's so fucking troll.
Shelly walking into melee range to charge, okay.
Yeah, she does that. Fuck, dude.
You know what?
They're
Well, they're
TPing.
TP.
The start keeps
We're
doing
going
it. Oh.
Okay, I'm using W. I'm on it.
Dragon is at like 2k, by the way.
Yeah.
Look, Vigo, he's spinning. Oh my god, yeah, nice.
Oh,
Nice.
we had such a good engage on the backside. Can you guys survive it?
Oh, please, oh.
Okay.
Okay, just.
Okay.
He's in
Okay.
possession still, he's in
Oh
possession.
my
Oh,
God.
literally, he's dead. Justin, slow, you might die.
Okay.
I don't.
You guys don't have to chase that. You guys don't have to chase
Go in.
that. Holy shit.
Go in.
Our
No.
engage was awesome.
Baron.
Baron.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Zach, our engage.
A good play.
I ate the moo with
Dude, you gotta tell me before you do that shit next time.
He was talking about
Yeah,
it.
no, he was talking.
Well, no, I know,
Yeah.
but like 5 minutes before.
I don't know. I don't think it was that.
No, I think he did. He learned a
We
good
zoned
job.
the whole team
Like,
on.
Like, you
Don't
want
worry.
me to stop? Be like, now is
Don't worry,
the
Timeless.
time.
Don't worry, Timeless. Zacs Blobs is fucking.
Alright.
This
I got
is-
scared, okay?
I have TP. I'll TP.
Yeah,
We can get the tower first and then go. Don't dive, Timeless. Ah, fuck.
Oh. Can you just trade? Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
I
there
think that's
you go.
good. Oh wait, I'm
And
TPing actually.
Wait,
Timeless
what?
Yeah, it's
Oh
Against
my-
with Ocean.
What the fuck is that champion?
That's pretty funny.
Look at this fucking idiot.
It's actually not balanced.
Oh, careful, Timeless. Timeless.
I think he still
He
fucking
wins it.
wins.
Oh.
He wins it. Healed. Look at him.
What is that?
fucking
What the
insane.
fuck?
What did I tell you?
Riot
about
Games.
the blitz?
Jesus
What did
Christ.
What did I tell you? The top
Oh
kid
my
just got.
god.
Dude, they had no Grievous on you either. The MF doesn't have Grievous.
Oh my god. Why
Okay,
would...
take every jungle camp. They have to come into us. They have to come into
Yeah,
us.
I'm not getting flash blitz.
Pull it.
circled.
Yeah, pull it.
Mal's no
Pull
shield.
it. Zach, pull it.
Oh. Look, Miles. One.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No,
Okay,
it's
nice.
over.
That's
It's alright. I kill everything.
Go.
I cannot
Okay.
believe he thought that would work.
Wait, just go run down mid. We end the game.
Yeah. Go
Yeah, I'm
mid.
just grabbing this real quick.
Okay.
I can't comprehend why he thought Malzahar ulting.
I think they were all gonna flash on me. I'm pretty sure they were all gonna flash on me, but I got a good ult off.
Yeah, this is really good ult.
That was. I think they were getting scared because of how I was positioned. Like I was gonna.
I'm not really sure. Keep going.
Nice.
How did I
wait,
burn?
what?
What did I burn to?
Oh my god, dude.
I'm just gonna go Frostfire. It looks like I need to lick people down.
If King kills me here.
Definitely possible. Holy shit.
My cheeks.
Oh, dude, like, is this guy sucking him off or what? He's under the table? It's unfucking believable.
It's just a common thing between those guys.
Dude, but he's getting shit on still.
They both play one-handed because each one has to hold each other's sack at the same time. Oh.
He's cradling the balls.
Yeah, like it's not a grip. It's just like, you know,
a little
lifting
tickle.
them. Yeah.
Oh my god. They no R right now. Oh. Watch it.
Oh, I have no mana.
Turn off your W.
No.
Yeah, I don't think so, buddy.
I'm definitely not turning off W.
Zacs Blobs.
Yeah,
I was gonna say for like E mana.
No.
W always does more.
That's good. Good job.
Yeah, that's very good.
Kog'Maw got a lot of spacing. They hard committed onto the Rel.
I did use Flash, so.
I'll have Thornmail next round.
What? I can chase through minions. I'm chasing through minions.
Okay. I'll have W back up in 2.
I think we just go tower.
Oh.
I'm just gonna go tower. Yep. Gabe gets it.
I mean, what am I gonna do than that?
Exactly, yeah.
We could. I think we can end. Do it.
Nice.
Oh. Good swap.
That was a yeah.
Nice job.
Actually.
There's two. Because I was thinking the exact same thing, Timeless. I was just like, wait, Vayne is so shit in certain matchups, and I was just like, there's definitely a way we could 100% punish that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That worked out really good. Because all Malzahar did was farm, and if he tried to press too far up, he gets instantly DM'd.
Nice job. Or is he gonna be there?
I don't
Play
know.
slowly.
I don't.
Oh my god! No, he actually wins. Blitz is coming if you install.
Holy shit, Yone's
Oh
balanced.
my god! Okay, nice.
Yone's just too. It's actually a champion gap. Champion's too broken. The champion's too broken.
Oh my